Okay, welcome to a video where I'm just going to explain what this little discrete analog to digital converter kit is that I put together for you guys. This is something we offer in the store. It's one of our little bit more complex kits. It's not just a simple blinking lights in a cool pattern type kit. It's a kit that's supposed to illustrate and demonstrate kind of the principle that could be used behind an analog to digital converter. It's pretty neat. You can turn the board on, you get a power LED. And then what happens, you have a reference voltage. There's a little reference voltage from this integrated circuit here, U4, 4.096 volt reference voltage. And then you can feed that reference voltage through essentially a resistor divider to change what that reference voltage is. And that goes down to a string of comparators, which then comes out to 7 level indicators, and then it goes into a binary encoder to output an actual binary number out the back. So it's kind of neat. You can turn this potentiometer up top, and that increases the reference voltage. As you increase the reference voltage, you can see that each of these LEDs lights up in sequence as each of these comparators is turning on. And you can further see on the lower right that these 0 to 8 or 0 to 7, 8 levels gets encoded into 3 different bits. And that's where I'll note this misnomer. It says 7-bit ADC. It's a 7-level ADC, a 3-bit ADC. So a little typo on my part. And that's what this kit does. So it's kind of a cool kit. We've got 4 integrated circuits. That's actually an IC. We've got something like 35 or so resistors and maybe 12 LEDs, a switch. So it's a pretty cool kit to put together, kind of cool to show off. And hopefully in going through this, you can learn a little bit about one kind of a principle of how an ADC would work. There are many kinds of ADCs. This is kind of a simple comparator style ADC. So I've got this video, then we'll do a build video, which walks through how to build it and debug it. Then also a video that'll go through the theory of what's going on here and how does this work. So hey, hope you pick up one of the kits and enjoy it and build it and have a good time with it. Thanks.